as I explain how you can return function from a function, I hope you are following all the series of video which I made related the function and Python from basic to advanced. So if you are following all the series of video, please follow and don't skip in between. As well as please like, share and subscribe our channel for other future this technology type of videos. So now I'm going to start how you can use a higher order function and what is higher order function. So I am clearing the screen now. So let me just clear all the previous concept, and now I'm going to explain you how you can use a higher order function. Means if you are understand higher order function, so you will better understand what is a filter function, what is a map function, what is a reduce function, and means all this function will take a higher order function from a function. So I am going to start, and please don't skip this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel. So let me just declaring one function. So I am defining one function with def keyword, and the function name I am taking inner. This is a function name I am taking outer function, and with the outer function I am just now I am just passing. I am not printing anything, and now I am just calling this outer function. So when you are not passing anything and you have to use pass keyword, and when you will just run this function, so you will get nothing in the output because of I passed. So when I replace pass with some another keyword or print, so let me just print it AI Nikhil model mind. So when I'll run this, so you'll get the output of AI Nikhil model mind. So how a higher order function works? Suppose I am making another function like def high is a function name, is because of its take higher order function, and I want to just add two numbers. So I am just going to use return. I am taking two number and one number one plus number two, and as I need to just give the parameter for both the numbers n1 and n2, and it is returning like this. So how you can just return it? So I am taking as a argument here is a another function, is a higher order function. Means when you will take any Python object, means I already explained in a previous video, when you will take any other Python object in another Python function, when you will take another Python function object, another Python object in the that function, so it is called the higher order function. As I explained, like I am taking a outer function is object. I am taking outer function as a high function object as an argument, so it is called the higher order function. And when I'll just call it, I need to make any alias. Suppose I am making the alias of func. So when I'll just call this func, so when I'll just call this func, so the object comes here, and now I need to just call this function. And when I'll to call this function, it will call high, this is a high function it will call. I need to just give, because of I mentioned two parameters, so need give the output of two numbers. Suppose I am giving 20 comma 30, two numbers, and it will give the object of that that function. So let me just show you. It will give the memory location object of that function, and that function need to just you have to just print it, because we had used return keyword. So when I'll run this and clear this screen, so now I'm going to explain. So like it's first gave the output of AI Nikhil model mind. This is, and now we have called this function from here, and this function is called, so it gave the output of 50 because we did two number of addition. So high is a function, another function name, and this outer function is taking as a object of that function is a high. So that's why it is calling the higher order function. So now you will understand how filter, map, and reduce function work, and decorator and closer also work. So thank you so much.